Hey, my name is George LaGuardia. I'm a loan officer here at A&N Mortgage, and I wanted to do a little bit of a question and answer series based on 20 years of my experience and the most commonly asked questions. And today we're going to tackle a very important question: is what is the minimum credit score required for a home loan? What kind of credit scores do I need, George? The reality is that every financial situation is going to be a little different. And although there are some lending criteria based off of risk, your scenario might be very, very different for you. So I would say this, the first step would be filling out an online application. Let's work through the pre-approval process and we analyze your risk factors. And then based on your scenario, we could determine where we go from there. Now, hey, let's just say you're not pre-approved right now. We partner with some amazing credit repair companies that will help you get your credit to where it needs to be. And my experience has been this: a lot of times we think that our credit scores are actually worse than what they actually are. And when we pull credit for the pre-approval, it turns out that 9 times out of 10, you're actually pre-approved for a mortgage when you didn't think you were. I would love to partner with you and help you achieve home ownership and make sure that you are fully equipped and empowered for all the things and all of your goals in life. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My inbox is open. I look forward to connecting with you soon.